So guys, we have recently uploaded a new tutorial video for you to check out. This is a very easy step-by-step tutorial of how to make an octopus cake topper. I don't know about you, but as a cake decorator, I think this is one of the things that we need to learn, since underwater cake is so famous. So what are you waiting for? So go into my channel and watch the whole video. This is the easiest video tutorial that you can find. We also have a lot of varieties of simple cake topper tutorials to choose from. So see you on our next vlog. Bye!